This month, our World Wine Travel Group is virtually visiting the northwest corner of Spain. That would be, the region is Galicia to us Americans. And we're going to be trying the main wine from that region is made out of the Albariño grape. From the region, though, is the name of the wine. It's Rias Baixas. We're going to be comparing two different Rias Baixas wines, just made in a slightly different style. It's kind of fun to compare same grape, same region, and the Martin Codex. That's this wine here. This is made in a real light, fresh style. It doesn't spend much time aging. They finish the fermentation and then bottle it. Second wine is Fiaboa, and this wine spends about 6 months on the lees, I believe, but it's definitely aged on the lees. Neither wine sees any oak. We're just about ready to cook. Things will go pretty quickly. We have a salad made upstairs, and here we have, for two of us, we like clams. These are little neck clams, so this is about 2.5 pounds of clams. We're gonna cook them a la plancha on the grill. Have about a cup of wine, got some oil. The wine is used to steam them at the end. And then we have this mixture of fresh flat leaf parsley, garlic, and I threw some cherry tomatoes in. And that will go on the clams as well while they cook. Step number one is get the clams on the plancha. So you can see we have our planchas there. It's heated up. One thing we need to be sure of is that we cook the clams all the way. Our first time we doing this, I ended up with clams that were about half done, so that was a little embarrassing. They're making good progress. We're about 3 minutes in. Next step is to put on the greens. You can see quite a few of the clams are starting to open up. So now we're going to put the aromatics on. All right, we're about ready for the final steam. About 8 minutes in. Kind of fun to see the plume of steam coming out. Let's have a look. I think we're just about there. Whoa, that's hot. Yes. Okay, I think we're gonna call it good. And there we have our clams a la plancha with two Rias Baixas wines.